In this video, we are going to show you how to log into your flowith.io account. Now, if you've signed up and for some reason you got logged out, or if you signed out or logged out yourself, all you do is go to flowith.io. It's going to show you this. For some reason, it says blank here on the URL. But once you're here, you're going to see this pop up, right? This pop up front and center. So this is practically how you sign up and log in at the same time. So to sign up is practically logging in too. Just click on your Gmail, or if you have an email, click on email, right? There we go. But you know, like people are just using this to make it faster. Just a simple click, especially with Gmail. But if you have an account, if you want to go the manual way or the traditional way, just click on sign in. And this will appear a new version. So what you want to do, whether if you're using your X account, click on X. If you have a GitHub, you can use your GitHub. If you have an email that is not Gmail, you can just enter it here. Or if, for example, just like most of us, if not all of us, we're just going to click on Gmail, and then we're going to be back in practically our account, right? This is our account. As you can see here, this is the history that we've been creating. And yeah, pretty much it. This video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next video.